linear differential equation. The first order, first degree linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p of x of y equal to q of x. Okay, so p of x is a x alone function and q of x is also y alone function, is the linear differential equation. Then integrating factor here is e to the power of integral of p of x dx. Okay, then the general solution for this linear differential equation is y into integrating factor, that is e to the power of integral of p of x dx equal to integral of q of x into integrating factor e to the power of integral of p of x dx. Okay, dy by dx equal to 1 by 1 plus x square of e to the power of tan inverse x minus y. Okay, so first of all you reduce into linear differential equation form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x form. Okay, so you observe y into 1 by 1 plus x, you transform, try left side, so this is reduces to dy by dx plus 1 by 1 plus x square into y equal to 1 e to the power of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Very clear. P of x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square and q of x equal to e to the power of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Okay, so here p of x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square and q of x equal to e to the power of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Okay, as we know, integrating factor, okay, e to the power of integral of p of x dx, this is equal to e to the power of integral of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, so integral of 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse. Okay, so tan inverse x, so integrating factor is e to the power of tan inverse x. We know general solution is y into integrating factor equal to integral of q of x into integrating factor into dx plus c, so that it is y into our integrating factor is e to the power of tan inverse x. Okay, equal to integral of q is e to the power of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into integrating factor value is e to the power of tan inverse x into dx plus constant c. Okay, again you observe y into e to the power of tan inverse x equal to integral of, it is tan inverse x, e power tan inverse x and e power tan inverse x. So e to the power of tan inverse x 2 times by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, you take this 1 plus x square value in the denominator of dx. So 1 plus x square plus constant. Okay, just you think tan inverse x equal to t. Okay, so tan inverse x equal to t. So derivative on both sides, it is dx by 1 plus x square equal to dt. Okay, so this is equal to integral of e to the power of 2t into dt plus constant c. Okay, so e power 2t integration is e to the power of 2t by 2 plus constant c, but t is tan inverse x, so that again you rewrite e to the power of 2 times tan inverse x by 2 plus c. Okay, therefore required general solution is y into e to the power of tan inverse x equal to e to the power of 2 times tan inverse x whole by 2 plus constant c is the required solution of given equation. Solve 1 plus y square into dx equal to tan inverse y minus x into dy. Okay, rearrange the problem. 1 plus y square into dx by dy equal to tan inverse y minus x. Okay, again you rearrange the problem. Dx by dy, okay, plus x by 1 plus y square equal to tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. Okay, no doubt the coefficient of dx by dy is 1. Okay, and it is 1 by 1 plus y square, p of y into x equal to q of y form. Okay, so dx by dy plus 1 by 1 plus y square into x equal to tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. Okay, so this term is p of y and this term is q of y. Okay, so here p of y equal to 1 by 1 plus y square and q of y equal to tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. Okay, so integrating factor if equal to same in the earlier problem, e to the power of integral of 1 by 1 plus y square dy equal to e to the power of tan inverse y. Okay, so general solution is, okay, instead of y you take here is x because it is a dx by dy form. Okay, x into integrating factor, that is e to the power of tan inverse y equal to integral of q of x. Q of x value tan inverse y by 1 plus y square into, okay, integrating factor e to the power of tan inverse y into dy plus constant c. Okay, so again you observe tan inverse y derivative is 1 plus y square dy. Okay, so it is of t into e to the power of t into dt form plus constant c. Since take tan inverse y equal to t, so that derivative on both sides dy by 1 plus y square equal to dt, so that we are writing tan inverse y equal to t and e to the power of tan inverse y equal to e power t dt. Okay, plus constant c. Dt value is e power y by 1 plus y square. Okay, we know integral of t into e power dt, t into e to the power of t minus integral of derivative of t is 1 and e to the power of t into dt plus constant c. Okay, this is equal to t into e to the power of t minus e to the power of t integration is e to the power of t plus c. Okay, again you rewrite e to the power of t into t minus 1 plus c. Okay, so what is t? Tan inverse y. So e to the power of tan inverse y into tan inverse y minus 1 plus c. Minus 1 plus c. Okay, therefore required solution is x into e to the power of tan inverse y equal to e to the power of tan inverse y minus 1 plus constant c. Differential equation, non-linear differential equation, nothing but Bernoulli's differential equation. Bernoulli's differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x into y to the power of n. Okay, so in the linear equation we didn't have y power n, but in non-linear we are having y to the power of n. Now we reduce this non-linear equation into linear differential equation, okay, by eliminating y to the power of n. Okay, so that you can multiply with y to the power of n on both, 1 by y to the power of n on both sides. So we have 1 by y power n into dy by dx plus p of x into, okay, p of x into y by y to the power of n equal to q of x. But it is not a linear equation. The linear equation must contain dy by dx coefficient must be equal to 1. Again you reduce this y to the power 1 by y to the power of n form. Okay, So here also you can observe this must be a y form. Okay, so take y by y to the power of n equal to z. That means y to the power of 1 minus n equal to z. Okay, so in the derivative on both sides, 1 minus n into y to the power of minus n dy by dx equal to dz by dx. Okay, very clear. Okay, y to the power of minus n into dy by dx equal to 1 by 1 minus n into dz by dx. Okay, so here is 1 by y power n. This is y to the power minus n means 1 by y to the power of n. Okay, so this term can be replaced by 1 by y power n, 1 by 1 minus n into dz by dx. Okay, so rewrite this term. This term is 1 by 1 minus n into dz by dx plus p of x into, this is y by y power n is z equal to q of x. Okay, but dz by dx coefficient must be equal to 1, so that you can eliminate 1 by 1 minus n. So again, by taking cross multiplication, dz by dx plus 1 minus n into p of x into z equal to 1 minus n into q of x. Okay, so 1 minus n is a numerical value, no doubt. So you can say this is a capital P of x and this is say capital another q of x, p1 of x or q1 of x. So that dz by dx plus p1 of x z equal to q1 of x. Okay, this is a linear differential equation. As we know, this linear differential equation solution is integrating factor equal to e to the power of integral of p1 of x dx. Okay, general solution is in terms of this differential equation in terms of z by dz by dx, so that the general solution is z into integrating factor equal to integral of q1 of x into integrating factor plus constant c. But z, you can replace z value where z equal to z by y by y power n or y to the power of 1 minus n. Okay, so you replace z value y to the power of 1 minus n into integrating factor e to the power of integral of p1 of x dx equal to integral of q1 of x into e to the power of integral of p1 of x dx plus constant c is the required solution of this Bernoulli's equation. 3 into dy by dx plus x into y equal to x into y power minus n, where minus n is minus 2. This is nothing but Bernoulli's differential equation. You can reduce this equation into linear differential equation form by multiplication of y to the power of minus 2, 1 by y to the power of minus 2 on both sides. Okay, minus 2 on both sides. Okay, or you can multiply with y square on both sides. Clear? So 3 into y square into dy by dx plus x into y cube, y into y square, okay, equal to x. Okay, you can take y square equal to z, put y cube equal to z. Okay, 3 into y square dy by dx equal to dz by dx. This is equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 2 becomes, again you observe 3y square dy by dx value. So first term is 3y square dy by dx is replaced by dz by dx. Okay, so equation 2 becomes dz by dx plus x into y cube is replaced by z equal to x. Okay, so this is p of x and this is q of x. Okay, so integrating factor equal to e to the power of integral of p of x equal to e to the power of integral of x dx equal to e to the power of integral of x square by 2. Okay, of x square by 2 is the integrating factor. Okay. General solution for equation 3. Equation 3 is z into e to the power of x square by 2 equal to integral of e to the power of x square by 2. Okay, where q of x well x into integrating factor e to the power of x square by 2, okay, into dx plus constant c. Okay, so put x square by 2 equal to t. So 2x dx by 2 equal to dt. X get cancelled. X dx equal to dt. So x into dx equal to dt. So again you rewrite e to the power of x square by 2 into x dx plus constant c. Again you rewrite e to the power of integral of e to the power of t dt plus constant c. E power t integration is e to the power of t name. Okay, so e to the power of t plus constant c. Okay, this is z into e to the power of x square by 2 value, but z equal to, we are taking y cube, so y cube into e to the power of x square by 2 equal to e to the power of x square by 2 plus constant c is the required solution. Try yourself, solve. Dy by dx minus tan x by 1 plus x equal to 1 plus x into e to the power of x into second y. Second one. Number 2. Dy by dx plus 2x by 1 plus x square of y equal to 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. Number 3. Dy by dx plus y minus 1 into cos x equal to e to the power of minus sin x into cos square x. Number 4. X y power 5 plus y of dx equal to minus dy equal to 0. Number 5. 1 minus x square dy by dx plus xy equal to y cube sin inverse x. Okay, solve about 5 problems at your home.